Hi friends, welcome or welcome back to Date My Budget. My name is Nita and I'm on a journey to becoming a financial warrior. I'm giving myself financial options with the help of zero-based budgeting, the cash envelope system, and savings challenges. And today is another episode of Wait a Minute Wednesday. Wait a Minute Wednesdays, we do our minis. The cash that we stuff can be any amount. So let's dive in and see how much we have to work with. And that is 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So $37. And we're just gonna slide this here. And got this beautiful lilac binder from BZ Things. And I went ahead and put my numbers on my envelopes. So we're gonna take these 6 envelopes out. This is my challenge binder this year, so it's not uniform in any way, shape, or form. Because we expect these challenges to be in and out. Now that I have the envelopes labeled, we can leave the challenges in the binder, in the sleeve, and just rearrange the order. Or actually, no, they can stay in order and rearrange the challenges when we want to, feel a little funky. So, and any rollover cash I keep in the front with the challenge, just so I know what's in the actual envelope has been colored on the tracker. And let me make sure this is all in view. Now, how do we incorporate our bright dice staircase? Let me see. Let me move this over just a little. Okay. So we have a 6-sided dice that tells us which challenge to stuff, and our 8-sided dice that tells us how much the challenge is going to get. I'm gonna shake them up and roll. You know what? This thing keep jumping out. It's like, what's going on? But challenge 1 is going to get $3. Challenge 6 gets 5. Okay. That is what I'm hoping to get completed next. Can you guys see that? Challenge 4 gets $3. Challenge 3 gets $1. It went all the way over there. 8. Challenge 1 get 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe if I do one at a time, it won't jump out. Challenge 3 gets 5. Don't forget about challenge 2 and 5. Don't do them. Challenge 6 gets 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, 2 and 5. Let's do it. Jeez. Challenge 6 gets 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're down to $3. So we're going to remove our dice that tell us how much. And whatever I roll, whatever I roll is going to get the $3. Challenge 3. All right. Challenge 2 and 5. Sorry. Nothing for you today. I feel like challenge 6 is the winner. So challenge 6 has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Challenge 3 has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Challenge 1 has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And challenge 4 has 3. So our clear winner is 6, then 3, then wait, no, 1, then 3. Yeah, because challenge 3 got 9. So we have $3 to go into our smiley face freebie that I got from the Budget Nerd. So we're having a Coke and a smile over here, and that's 1, 2, 3. And I rarely drink soda, but I definitely don't drink Cokes or any type of brown soda, Pepsi, any of those. They're harsh to my throat. So yeah. And I can deal with spicy stuff, but I don't know what it is about the soda, but that like tears my throat to pieces. Feel like I'm following shards of glass. So challenge 4 is done. We'll put this back in order. Let's see. We're doing the winner last. So we got our 9 and this beautiful challenge. I will have it listed in the description. I forget the name of the Etsy shop. But what I loved about this bundle, it came with maybe like 12 challenges. And each challenge has a set of owls, and they're different colors. And then I think it started from like maybe $50 or $60 up to like $200. So many options, and that one purchase gave you that many challenges. So it was pretty affordable. So for our $9, let's see. We can do 3 threes. Yeah, let's do that. No, actually, 4, 7, and a 2 for 9. A 4, 3, and a 2. This challenge is bottom heavy. Look at, we almost got 2 complete rows. Right. I'm really enjoying the challenges that has a range of denominations. You know, all its winnings will be put to use and no rollover. All right, challenge 1. Got your 11. Let me make sure. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Plus this one, that's 12. Dang it. Okay, so we can do a 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll go ahead and put 10 inside and then color our feather. All right, and this came from Sisters on the Budget off Etsy. Once completed, we'll save $140. Oops, I forgot its rollover. Let's add that right here. And challenge 6, I'm excited about. I forgot how much it was already. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Every letter or symbol is $3. So we got $15. We can do 5. That complete the challenge. Yes. Okay. Absolutely amazing. Oh, that ain't it. I don't think this is it either, but it's gonna be it today. All right, so we should have $48. Oops, I forgot it. It's in here now. And this was going towards my dollars of the month. That's been completed. I had penny here, so, and I scratched that off. So I'm not sure where this is gonna go. And I may just, since I finished 3 so far, since we've been in 2025, and I may just save them and do one stuffing from my mini challenges. This is the first. I've probably saved 2 in a month's time frame, but like they went specifically to certain things, and so this year I'm trying to just like look at my sinking funds and seeing what I can fully fund as soon as possible. So I'm not sure how I'm going to allocate the cash, but let's see if we have our 48. So 20, 35, 36, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! So that was amazing. I'm excited that this one is complete. I've been planning to do this for like 2 years. When I first purchased it, this came from my little helpful files off Etsy. And she recently came back to YouTube because she was gone for a while. She is back. I think we're gonna use this. Got this off Etsy a while back, and I'll have that linked, and I'll even pop it on the screen, but I'll link that as well. And you get 2, or is it 3? 2 of these little panda. I'm assuming this is boba, but I love pandas, koalas, and owls. Like them my favorite animals. That's like not vicious. I love big cats. So we're gonna add this, and yeah, we'll be able to put this back into my binder here, and let it hang out to the next stuffing. All right, and that does it, you guys. I will chat with you in the next one.